Hello my dear students, welcome back. Today I am here with the sixth part of the chapter disasters. See last 5 parts and understand the concept previously I have explained. Now today which point I am going to discuss today? That today's point is their main point is man-made disasters. Means the disaster which caused by the human being or by our casual activities. Actually sometimes people become irresponsible, unaware, and due to our activities these kind of disasters can happen. We will talk about that very shortly because already I have discussed some of the points in that first video. So here see this. First I will talk about fire. Fire also is also man-made disasters which actually we can see at the earthquake time. In some also in our home sometime we forget to switch off that lights, we forget to off that oven which is we are using, and it causes that fire. Sometime due to our it means unawareness, due to our casual behavior, sometimes this fire can catch. Sometime throwing of that match lights, sometime and also cigarettes, this also fire can happen in our home, even our surroundings. And how we can also it means protect ourselves in that situation. If your clothes it catch burn, you then and there can also roll on over that floor. If you have wear some kind of metal that it means gold and other jewelries, you should then and there remove that, because sometimes metal it stuck to our body and it can cause severe that also for it means burning. Whenever you are seeing the situation at your home that burning, you should also then and there switch off that all that electrical appliances, even switch off that it means supply of the power. You should then and there it means use the fire extinguisher. If you are also living in a society, you know that every flat is having that every that also building is having this fire extinguisher. You should use, and you should know how to use that. And never put, whenever you are having some fire by that electrical issue, you should not apply water, because this fire it will be very harmful or severe by the use of water. If you are having any rag and very heavy thing, you should then and there also wear, or you can even roll all over soil or sand. So these are the procedures that you can follow. Even at the time of fire, you should not use the lift. You should use stairs, and then and there you should move from that area. Okay?
Students, sometimes people use very cheap electrical appliances and wares which cause short circuits and causes fire. In that case, don't forget to call fire brigade to prevent.
Now, industrial and nuclear accidents. These are very common. You might have seen that I am giving another very also important example of Bhopal. Bhopal, which happened in 1984. In 1984, and massive that accident happened in that Bhopal gas also that it means limited, where near about I can say 3 lakh people they became disabled. Near about that 1 lakh people they died, and so many people they also for a long time they are facing the problem, because the surrounding areas the gas totally it was there. Another example, it was there Ukraine Chernobyl 1986. That was also massive and destructive that nuclear power plant, that accident. In that accidents, we never can, so many people and more than lakhs of people they lost their lives, and that poisonous gas it mixed to the air atmosphere. which causes genetic disorder. Those people, those women were pregnant that time, they had given birth of that, also some disabled. We can say that not only that, also genetic disorder, there are some cancers there, and it will not suddenly, it will also, it means remove this gas. Long time people suffer due to that. Even you might have heard about that, this kind of accident also held very recently at Vizag, where people also lost their life by that poisonous gases. Somewhere this kind of accidents happening.
Students, industrial accident and nuclear power plant gas leakage are not good for our health because they are having poisonous gases and some chemicals which are not good for us.
Next, the point is terrorism. This terrorism actually that planned by human being. This terrorism, it is just against the humanity. You might have heard about the Second World War. In Second World War, when USA dropped that atomic bomb on Japan on that 6th on also 9th August. It only not only dropped the two main cities of Japan, Hiroshima and Nagasaki, totally they also, it means destroyed. And this destructive situation, it was not that time, so many years people faced this problem. And here not only that, even we have seen 2001 11 September, when the terrorists that attacked the Twin Tower, the World Trade Center, totally destroyed. Mumbai, there the Hotel Taj, that destructed by that also terrorist. Even this kind of terrorism that we are getting to see in different parts of the world in our country, which is not that also, it means we should not favor this. We should never think about this kind of devastating thing, and we should have some moral or moralities. Next, that last is travel related accidents. Every day in that also newspapers we are seeing somewhere people are dying due to accidents. It may be road accidents, it may be air crash, it may be railway, but maximum accidents happens due to that roads. We have seen every day people are dying. There are so many reasons behind that: drunken driving, then also overspeeding, not following the traffic rules, and so many reasons are there. And due to that, people are losing their life at a very early age. Ye students, we all are having a life. We have some responsibilities towards our family, towards our relatives, towards our dear and near one. So here, how we will deal with our life, that is depending on us. Our life is very precious. So please see and this video and try to also basically understand how we can save our life in that different situation when there is any disasters. Okay, so till then, stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you.
Students, terrorists can keep explosive anywhere. If you seen any suspected thing, don't touch. Inform police or your parents immediately.